Okay, so we are about trading the volatility 75 index, and we have placed an entry at 810 81040 810. Okay, so we have placed an entry at 81040 and our take profit at 840. So now we want to see how the market plays out to give us our entry, and also to continue from our entry to give us our TP. So let's move price away from that so that we can see what the current price looks like and see when it finally activates our entry at 81040, and then see if we are going to make a profit on this trade with our take profit at 84040. All right, so the market is currently at 809187, and it has been struggling with the resistance at 809 and has also not been able to make another low ever since it crossed 805. So about 4,000 points distance, the market has been unable to move anywhere, and then breaking the 809 resistance would plunge or take the market into our entry and thus bring us into the market. So if you see our screen here, the market is still unable to break the 809 resistance. So let's see how quickly this comes true. We have held this entry for about an hour from the opening of the 2 p.m. candle. We have been watching for the activation of our entry so we can see if our entry can be activated and also put us into a position for making profits. All right, so let's trade on. Okay, so the market is still unable to break the 809 resistance. And still at 808, now down to 807, back to 808. Now we are used to the volatility 75 index, and for us here at FFTVC channel V75, our specialty is trading the volatility 75 index as an intraday trading opportunity, which we introduce to traders around the world, offering mentoring for newbies and career traders who want to step the game from the regular forex pairs to start trading in the options market, trading the synthetic indices with the Deriv broker that has been in business for 20 years. So, in our mentoring program, we support every trader with the right entry for sustainable profiting on high probable trade entries, which we select for you. So if you are trading with FFTVC as a subscriber, then you get one thing for sure, and that is the safety of your entry and a high profit guarantee above 60% profit guarantee, and this is done consistently. Now, we have brought this channel live, so if you do not know about FFTV, mind you, FFTV comes from the name of our mentoring program known as FinMac Millionaire Mentoring Academy, that is the first F, and FEXIT, that is Forex or foreign exchange and indices trading. FEXIT, that's the first F and the second F. The first F stands for FinMac Millionaire Mentoring Academy, and the second F stands for foreign exchange and indices trading, that is FEXIT, FMMA FEXIT, so abbreviated to FF. Television Corporation, that is FFTVC. FF Television Corporation, that is FinMac Millionaire Mentoring Academy of Foreign Exchange and Indices Trading Television Corporation, FFTVC. And we have a dedicated channel for live streaming our trades on Volatility 75 Index, where we show you trades we have already set up and waiting for confirmation entry up onto take profit. So you can join us live and watch our trades as a kick-off and enter into profit. And then you see what we do when our trades do not get into profit, how we take partial profit, and how we make sure we cut down losses. So we do this consistently on a daily basis, trading Volatility 75 Index and doing our analysis live, so you can see how we do this. So we are not going to be giving you trade signals like a robot. We are going to be showing you the trades that we take, when we take them, how they get activated, how long they stay open, and when they close, how they close, in profit or loss. And we do this 24/7. So this is FFTVC, the #1 channel for live streaming Volatility 75 Index, the first TV station that does this anywhere in the world, live streaming our trade Volatility 75 Index only on FFTVC. So we see we have a running trade and the price is still down below the 809 resistance, currently at 807, and we are waiting for our entry to activate with our take profit at 840. And we know that if we find this entry at the right spot, especially with safety precautions, we have passed requirements for entry of high probability. Because we are not gambling with the market, we know what the market can do and what the market does. We keep to our discipline of holding on to our entry and our exit strategy. So once we get good entry confirmations, we do not look elsewhere and we do not think twice. We do not double or worry about what the market will do with our entry. We are confident with our trading strategy, for we have used the strategy to reap the market on several occasions, and we continue to do this. So we want you, if you want to be a part of our success, also want to share your success story with others, we have our channels available for you to subscribe to. Firstly, subscribe to this channel here on YouTube by clicking the subscription button and click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we are live streaming. We are live stream 24 hours anyway, so you always know that we are live at any time. And once you're subscribed, you can get access to the real-time market analysis of our trades running on volatility 75 index. We are in the market 24/7, 24/7 volatility 75 index. So we trade where others are scared of trading, and we make profit where others are most likely to lose. Now, what do we mean by making profit consistently? Yes, this is our way of trading in a way that guarantees security of our traders accounts. While we do not manage account for anyone, we give our traders a mentoring program the right trade directives and instructions for taking high probable trade entries. And when entries are taken, we all sit back and watch the market do its thing. And as the market does this thing, we all wait to take profit. Now we do this consistently, and at the end of every week, we analyze performance and see if we have been profitable on the most uh, times, and if we lost a few times, we do plus minus and come out with the figure for what we get out of the market for each week. Now we have a trading plan where every trader who is part of our mentoring program can consistently, while minimizing risk, make $3,000 monthly consistently. Yes, so if you have not got such guarantee from anywhere, without trading with a robot, without buying signals, you can sure experience this result with us here on FFTVC, the only channel that live streams volatility 75 index 247 from wherever you are in the world watching us live. This is FFTVC volatility 75 index, our channel volatility 75 or V75. FFTVC channel V75. We are available for you to join us from anywhere in the world by subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the subscription button, then the notification bell. And of course, we also invite you to join our private trading community on Telegram. You see our channel here, FFTV at FFTVC. That's on Telegram. That's our public channel you can join. So if you're on our public channel, you can get access to our services and join our trading community. Now, you do not pay to become a member of our community. All you do is you subscribe to our channel and you become a part of our community. You take our trades every day and make a consistent amount of profits every month, making up to an average of $3,000 monthly while taking the minimum risk in trading volatility 75 index. Yes, no over trading, and at the same time, no gambling with the market. Taking the minimum risk, you are able to make consistent profit of $3,000 on a monthly basis on average. And furthermore, we continue to guide you so you don't get depressed if your trade expectations do not come early. You know what you are trading is what we are trading also, so you are not in the market alone. Whatever you see on our screen here is live, and we are always broadcasting our trades, so you see how we stay in the market, how long we hold a position, and how we trade with confidence. Now, many traders everywhere in the world cannot hold their trades for as long as we do. We are taking an intraday trading strategy while trading volatility 75 index, and we do this consistently every day. So if you are part of our channel, you are going to see how we trade confidently these high volatile instruments, volatility 75 index, only on FFTVC channel 75. So channel V75 is a channel on Telegram where we have a private community for only those who have subscribed on our public channel and have decided to take our shared income contract into consideration so that we can monitor their progress even while they do it themselves. So being a part of our private community means you are mentored to do it yourself. You take the trades we give you and then we share profits every month. Now, in profit, you are only making a contribution to our trading community, whereby we are able to keep our channel alive, and we are also expanding our network coverage to include satellite television coverage. So if you are contributing your part of profit share for the good we do with live broadcasting our trades on volatility 75 index that helps you make consistently $3,000 profit on average monthly, then you will be happy to share your profit with us every week. And doing this makes us grow our channel to reach out to more persons in different parts of the world. Now, the reason why we're going on cable is so that all those who cannot be on the internet 24 hours to watch our YouTube live, uh, okay, live streaming can also be part of what we do by watching us on TV. So whatever we do here will be seen on cable channel when you tune into our channel on channel V75 on satellite TV and as well cable TV with our channel when we go that mainstream. So we want you to be part of this success and this contribution we are making in the financial industry by helping individual retail traders make meaning of their daily activity on the financial market trading. So we minimize the risk of loss and give you confidence that when you trade what we trade, you can make as much profit as $3,000 on average monthly. And the best part is you trade with peace of mind. You trade rest assured that the market only has one thing to do, and that is to respect its structure and respect its levels. And we trade with respect to those structures and levels. So we anticipate the market, and the market does this thing. We do our thing. We help you to stay focused on the financial market as a source for your steady cash flow or, yes, regular income stream. So if any other thing has failed you, if any other trading community has failed you, and then if any other pro, guru, or mentor, whatever you found them, has failed you, being with us is going to change your story. Yes, FFTVC, the only channel that makes live broadcasts of volatility 75 index. As we trade, you see our trades, you see what we're analyzing, you see how we enter the market, you see how we hold our position, you see how long we hold our position, you see the profit target we're anticipating, you see when we close our entry, you see why we close our entry, and you see what we take home from our entry. So this is what we do 24 hours every week, and you can become part of this activity right here on FFTVC by joining us from wherever you are in the world. When you subscribe to our channel FFTVC here on YouTube, click the subscription button now and turn on your notifications so you know when we are live streaming. We said we live stream 24 hours, so whenever you turn into our channel, you always see our trades ongoing. And if you are not late, you can always join our trades, such as the trade currently running now. And we want to know you, whoever you are, wherever you are trading with us, anywhere in the world. We want to know you, so join our channel on Telegram, FFTVC channel 50 channel V75 on Telegram. Yes, FFTVC is our public channel, and we have a private channel as FFTVC channel V75, which we invite you to join us whenever you are ready to start trading with us. So you do not just have to trade without us knowing that you are taking our trades. We want to hear you, how you perform with us, and also want you to be part of our PR team, that is those helping us to spread by sharing your results with us, by hashtagging us on Twitter and sharing our trades. So, want to see you taking our trades. FFTVC, our channel is live. our trade still continues. So we place our entry here at 810. Yeah, we place our entry at 810. Yeah, 810. And our take profit here at 840. And the market has not been able to make it to our entry because the market has its high currently set at oh okay, yeah, we have the market setting is high at 80999, 809999, while we have our entry set at 810 and our take profit at 840. So the market has not got to our entry yet, and it made a low down to 802, and we are waiting for market to come to our entry. Now we have set our entry right from the start of the 2 o'clock candle, and we've held it for 1 hour now, and our entry is still not activated. So that tells you that there is a strong resistance at 809. So if market breaks this resistance, our entry will be activated. Due to the nature of the volatility 75 index, we would have anticipated a break and waited for the market to make the break first successfully before we enter the market. But we want to show you how we trade so you can place an entry and go about your business, and you have nothing to worry about whether you are safe or not, because the best entry would guarantee you safety and at the same time profit. So that's the best entry, and we make sure for every entry we provide uh, members of our community. These two things are guaranteed: safety and profit. And this is what we do 24/7 only on FFTVC, that is Financial Markets, FinMac, Millionaire Mentoring Academy of Foreign Exchange and Index Trading Television Corporation, FFTVC. FFTVC V75 is our channel, because we are trading volatility 75 index, and right here on YouTube we live stream our trading daily. So whenever you join in, if you are already subscribed, you can see our live trades running while we are trading at any given time. Now, this is not a market where we just do multiple trade signals and expect you to come out and get in again. No, we find one good entry that pays out by the end of the day, and that is what we do. Intraday trading is our strategy. So when you find a good entry in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening, you can just set your trade and let it be. Whatever the market does, that's nothing for you to worry about. Why? Because you already have the best entry that has safety taken into consideration and profit highly guaranteed. Now, if the market does anything contrary to what you've expected, well, that is what the market has to do at that time. Doesn't mean you got the bad or didn't get a good entry. What it means is You have done your thing, so let the market do its thing. Okay, so we are trading volatility 75 index only on FFTVC, and here is our trade, live streaming our trade. Volatility 75 index live streaming only on FFTVC. Now you can join us from anywhere in the world by subscribing on our channel FFTVC, and then you can be part of our live trading community on Telegram with our public channel as FFTVC, and then we have a private channel for all those who are part of our trading community. Because if you take our trades, then we must know you. Help us to know you, and when we know you, we want you to be part of what we do. Support the community by doing a profit share with us every week. So when you take our trades, post the results on our public channel by using our hashtag on Twitter. Post screenshots of your profit for the week. So do a screenshot of your trade history and post on Twitter, so others will know that you are taking our trades and that you are making progress with us. And then when you send us any share of the profit based on our profit share percentage, you also do a screenshot and send to us using the hashtag FFTVC on Twitter, and you share so that others will know that we are helping you make consistent profit in the market. Now, we want this to be a mainstay for all those who are trading the financial market. Now, we chose volatility 75 index because this is an market trace where the market finds liquidity, we find liquidity. And so if you are with us, you will trade what we trade without fear. And you can rest assured that the two things we take into consideration when placing our entries are safety and profit, highly guaranteed. So if you are trading with us, you have nothing to worry about. You can rest assured that the trade entries we give you are safe. So look at this. The market we entered by 2 o'clock at the start of the 2 p.m. candle. We entered at 810.40, and throughout 2 o'clock, the market made an attempt at breaking the resistance at 809, even got to 809.999. That's an amazing close markup to our entry. Yet our entry was not activated because we have placed our entry safely above that resistance. So unless the market is ready to go up, by breaking the resistance, our entry will be safe from slight pullbacks that could cause quick losses. So we try to anticipate the market's every move and try to prevent preventable losses, and we do not want to give the market an opportunity to take advantage of us. And that is why we place our entry with the safety concern primarily before even pursuing profit. Profit is a target, yes, of course, but we do not just chase profit blindly. We chase profit by having high probable trade entries that have passed the check marks for what? Safety first. So if you are part of our trading community, you can take your trades with confidence. So if the market does this thing after activating any trade entry, you have nothing to worry about. Why? Because we have given you the best entry with safety concern. Now we know from this current market that the market is on a downtrend, and so we will not just take any entry anticipating a quick spike, knowing that in a downtrend the market will always go down. So but what we do is we want to see the first move when market uh, buys at its true value, rather buys below its true value and makes the move, the bold move. Now we could have ordinarily scalped this market by placing an entry right below the low or at the low of 800, where the market has been rejecting. Yeah, but we cannot be trading against the trend very closely. We can only anticipate a move away from the trend by placing our entries just some points away from the active volatile areas. Now we chase liquidity with the market, so if we see that the market is moving away from its highly volatile area in a downtrend, then we are able to place our entry anticipating the market's move towards liquidity zones. And because the market avoid gaps, liquidity zones are where the market is likely to go to give itself uh, more profits than ever uh, before. So if the market has experienced saturation around the highly volatile area in any trend, then the market is likely to depart from that area and make new surges or dips so as to chase liquidity. And that is what we do. So why it is tempting to be in the market playing ping pong resistance and support of that takes why it chases liquidity. Now, but that doesn't mean that the market must obey that move. So the market can do its thing. It can take a a divergent course, and of course put us in harm's way most times. So when that happens, we know that we take the loss with a pinch of salt. So losses happen once in a while, but the loss can never be greater than the profit. And that is what brings us to the weekly consistent reward of more profit and less losses. So when accounts are balanced every week, you see all our traders in our community reporting that they made good profit. Now, what is the margin of profit we are talking about here? We are talking about where your risk is $1 and your profit is $6 consistently. So if this is what you get from us, then what are you waiting for? We are talking about you making over 600% profit on a daily basis. Yes, it sounds ridiculous that the market cannot give you a whooping 600% on a daily basis, but that is possible because we have been trading volatility with our students, and every time this is what we get: 600% return on a daily basis. The reason is we keep to our trading plan, and our trading plan is not just about profit, it is about having the best entry and then keeping to that entry strategy, holding position until profit hit, unless we see a divergent course coming in between to alter our profit. Now what we do is we do not just close our good entry, rather we set our minimum profit target. So unlike other traders, we only want uh, trade to be held until it hits our take profit. Now, if the market is not ready to go that course yet, we set a minimum profit target so that the market, once it retraces, can give us a minimum profit target and without us taking loss on a profitable entry. So that is what we do, and by this way, we continuously reduce the risk of trading the financial market even when it is highly volatile. So like the volatility 75 index being the highest volatile instrument in the market, we are able to trade this consistently on a 24/7 basis, and every one member of our community can book consistent profit on a monthly basis. So with the minimum account size, anyone can trade volatility 75 index with us on FFTVC and make consistent profit well over $3,000 on a monthly basis as average profit, and also do this consistently and continuously every month. So why are we so confident in our trading strategy? It is because our strategy works, of course. Yeah, our strategy works. So if you are with us, trade volatility 75 index with us. All right, so let's refresh that and come back live to show you our trade on volatility 75 index. All right, so Let's see what's happening. We've been live streaming for about 36 minutes now, and so far uh, we've had profit. Still lagging behind entry, not yet running in profit or loss, since our entry is safely kept well above the resistance at 809. So when we enter the market this way, we only want two things. We want to guarantee our profit and not loss. So we had our entry set at 810, and we had our entry at 810, then we had our profit at 840. All right, and that covers 30,000 points of profit. Now this is one trade, and we are trading an intraday trading strategy. So that means if we find a good trade, we are ready to hold it until the market moves in favor of our entry and gives us full profit. Now we will avoid all temptation of taking exits where we are not supposed to take exits, because we like the safety of our trading entries, and we would not want to just give in to the market's fluctuations just because we fear. Yes, so rather than us taking profit halfway and leaving the market, we would rather set a minimum profit target as well as our maximum profit target. So our maximum profit target is where we are going to hold trade onto until it gets full profit booked. And then our minimum target for profit is where the market, when it digresses, gets to before we exit with profit rather than loss. Since we are not trading for loss, we are trading for profit. We want our trading to be like a business, and we want prices to be checked like a bargain. So we are in a bargain with the market. So if we provide you our equity, now we are providing this equity on a conditional basis that if the market moves in favor of our entry by 3%, we are going to have our minimum profit set at 1% appreciation of price. So every 3% move of the market towards profit, we have our minimum entry raised by 1%. So that continues however far the market goes. And by so doing, we are having ourselves confidently holding a position without interfering with our exit strategy. And then we are able to keep the market well attended to, since we are not we are not gambling for profit. We are rather trusting our strategy and trading confidently. Now, with this, every member of our community can consistently take our trades with confidence and at the same time make profit of the market on a weekly basis by checking the cumulative of all profit and loss for the week and seeing that the week always ends in profit. So that is FFTVC, channel V75. So if you are with us, let us look at what the market has for us. So far since 2 p.m. we have been holding on to this trade, and trade hasn't activated yet. Market is still below the 809 resistance level, and we have our trade safely kept above the resistance level by having an entry at 810, and the market haven't tried making a high by the 2 p.m. candle before it closed up to 809.9999, just 1 point away from 810. The market further went down and went down far to 800, even to 79, yeah, 798. So we have been watching this, and that confirms to you that we have our entry criteria carefully and accurately measured, so that we follow that entry criteria, and we do not alter our bias for any reason. Then also we do not just chase short-term profit like others do, because we are not a trading robot that enter and exit a trade in minutes or seconds. So we look for high probable trade setups, entries that can be held throughout the day if possible, and entries that have a higher guarantee of security and profitability before we place our entries. Now, whenever we place our entry, you being a confident trader, trusting our strategy, and being a member of our trading community, you can place an entry and go about your business. So when you return and find the market doing its thing in your favor, what do? Well, you wait for the profit to be fully booked. Otherwise, you move your stop loss to our minimum profit target, and that is what we do consistently. So no member of our community has to lose more than they are able to make in profit. Every week consistently you can make over $3,000 from FFTVC trading only volatility 75 index with 7. That is why members of our community are happy with us. And if you want to be a member of our community, you want us to know that you are taking our trades with us, then you can join us first by subscribing here on YouTube. Click the subscription button and then the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we are live, even though we are always live 24/7. Next thing is you follow us on Telegram by joining our channel. Our public channel is at FFTVC. So on Telegram at FFTVC, you can access our public channel and you click join. Now in our public channel, we give you access to our private trading community where you get firstly registered with us so we know you are trading with us. We watch your trades also, even though we do not manage your trade for you. You take our trades and we also monitor your trades so that at the end of the week we know what we are expecting in profit from each of our traders. Now we have a growth projection from minimum benchmark of 20,000 subscribers to over 1 billion subscribers. So we want to be the biggest trading community in the world, trading the most liquid assets in the world. Volatility 75 index only on FFTVC. So if you're a member of our community, then when you make profit weekly, want you to also help promote our community. Let others know that you are making profit off trading FFTVC's favorite volatility 75 index. And then you post of your weekly trades closed and post them on our YouTube channel. Sorry, post them on our post them on Twitter by hashtagging our channel at FFTVC on Twitter, and then you post also when you share your profit with us, which we recommend highly for every member of our trading community, our private trading community in particular. You post a screenshot of how much you shared with us. So that way everyone knows that you are contributing to the progress of FFTVC channel and also support our goal of going mainstream so that those who can access us on their television cable channels can always find us with a frequency at FFTVC channel V75 on cable and satellite televisions. Also, and when you post your testimonials this way, you give confidence to other traders who might have been afraid and have been looking for where else they can make profit to locate us. Now, since joining our private community is free, everyone in the world can join us and profit from this financial uh, impact we have on every trader's career, trading volatility 75 index by live streaming our trades, showing you what we take and when we place an entry, how long we hold an entry, when we exit an entry, why we exit an entry, and what we're exiting with. You see it live. So if the market is going in for us, you know that your market is going in. Well, if you took our trade by following us live on YouTube, you can always see what the market is doing at any time. And we do not trade randomly, you must know so, because we are not trading robots. We do not enter and exit in minutes or seconds. We hold our position almost throughout the day if that is possible. Otherwise, we take profit when profit target reaches or our exit criteria is met, and then we minimize loss so that once our position is in profit, we always take minimum profit as 2% shy of uh, market's current appreciation above entry by 3%. So every 3% appreciation, we take the 1% minimum profit and continue to modify until the market goes into profit mode fully. So by so doing, we are not in a hurry to exit the market if there is no real threat to our stay in the market. And then uh, by moving our minimum profit, we are not closing our trade on loss if we have once been in profit. So if you join us, then you can rest assured that every month you can make a minimum of $3,000 with us. So why not join us if it works? And then when it works, why not share your testimonials? So all we do on our channel is a live stream our trade. So when you take a trade, you know we're also taking the trade with you. You also know others all over the world who are part of our channel are taking the trades with us. And of course, you can join us in our comment section since we live stream. You can always post us live questions and all that we answer you, of course. So we keep it engaging for everyone with us all over the world while we live stream on our YouTube channel at FFTVC, channel V75. Okay, so the market is still down below the resistance level at 809, and we have our entry carefully and safely placed at 810 with a take profit target at 840, covering over 30,000 points of distance as a profit expectation. And since the market is still down, of course, there is nothing to worry about. It's only once the entry is activated that we begin to see what the market wants to do. So far, we have seen what the market has done. The market has continuously stayed below the 809 and also not broken any new low so far, as it's depressed down and 796, yeah, 796 support level. So this is just a 2000 points move, yes. And since we have our profit at 10,000 points away, we expect that if our entry is activated, then once it goes into profit, we can start setting our minimum profit target. But if the market leaves us with a surprise by heading back downward after activating our entry, oh yeah, then we have no option but to watch the entry and see what happens at the end of the day. So we are never agitated in the market. We trade with confidence, trading the strategy we trust, knowing that yes, the profits are right because we have given the market an entry with a condition. We give our market equity, saying if the market moves into profit by 3%, we are going to have our minimum profit set at 1% or 2% shy of current price. And we continue to do that until the market finally hit our take profit level or comes 2% down of current price, and we also take minimum profit. So in every situation, we are safely in the market. So nothing to worry about. FFTVC Channel V75 guarantees you consistent trading the financial market with safety, consent, and profit guarantee, as well as minimum risk in the market, minimum risk exposure, and that you trade knowing that there are millions of traders all over the world trading the same instrument with you. So now, because of the high volatility of this instrument we are trading, you have nothing to worry about. Being that we have already given you quick and safe entry, you can now rest assured that if the market moves in a day, you are making over 600% profit on your starting capital. So think this is not going to work for you, give it a try, and a trial will convince you.